Alright guys, so here are the 4 states of matter, and this will be on the test tomorrow. It's on your half-sheet study guide. So we start off with the solid state of matter, and the particles in a solid are packed closely together and they vibrate in place. So even though they look like they're standing still, when you look at a solid object, like you look at this table where I'm doing this video from, this looks like it's not moving. If you could get down really close to the microscopic level, you would see the particles actually vibrating back and forth because they still have some energy. So they still move a little bit, but it's just a vibration. After you heat up a solid, so you think of like melting an ice cube, you get the liquid form. And when you melt it, it causes the particles to spread out. Remember, temperature causes a change of state of matter. So as you add temperature to this solid, it makes the particles spread out and they become a liquid. They start to move slowly, and instead of vibrating, they actually move around a little bit and they collide into each other. After you heat up a liquid, once again, think of water, think of a pot of boiling water. It boils, it becomes water vapor. Those particles spread out even more. You can see they have more space between them, and they quickly move around and bump into each other because they have more energy, because they've absorbed more heat. The last state of matter is plasma. Remember, not all substances can go to the plasma state, but the ones that can absorb enough heat to where the particles spread out tremendously and then they zoom around and bump into each other. So we've got super fast with tons of energy zooming around, hitting each other, and that causes a huge transfer of energy. So we got solid, liquid, gas, plasma. We got vibrate in place, kind of just sit around and go bzzz. We got liquid, a little more spread out. We got gas, even more spread out, and plasma, even more spread out. So as you add heat and energy, it causes the particles to spread out more and more. All right.